846 tutors and teachers who are implementing the ARAL program in Davao Occidental. There are a total of 7,101 learners from kindergarten to grade 10. Aside from the ARAL program, officials from the Schools Division of Davao Occidental also shared interventions to address learning gaps among learners. These include capacity building for teachers, production of test materials to assess the proficiency of learners, and local reading programs implemented at both provincial and school levels. Now, ano pala ang goal ng ARAL program? Again, ARAL program, Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning program, it is to address the learning gaps with a primary focus on reading for this school year 2025 to 2026. This program will identify and assist struggling readers and will expand to include mathematics and science in subsequent phases. Nakabalo man mo anong aral, no? Kami mga classmates nga apil sa aral?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, the goal of this is to address learning gaps in reading, math, and science for learners from kindergarten to grade 10. The program was officially launched atong September 13, 2025. Kung sa may legal basis, ani?